We must finalize the interpretation of this specific wording before the deadline.
Legal reviewed the annex, but the technical specs here are
Is the load secure? Confirmed.
Initiating seal sequence now. Clear the area.
The CMM tracks the front upright, verifying dimensional accuracy. The deviation map provides instant color code.
Ready to mount the arm?
Okay, guide it in. Send the retaining bolt through. TPMS sensor secured. Moving to balancer. Copy that. Ready for weight check.
R5 data stream is stable.
Cross-referencing with the thermal metrics now.
Looks good for launch.
Looks like we're balanced now at 50.1% cross weight.
confirmed. We can lock it down.
Delta time is increasing in Sector 3. We're losing pace.
Adjusting the fuel mixture map now.
Give me the impact wrench now. Clear that side panel. We need more heat on the composite patch.
Status check on car A.
Hydraulics green.
Bodywork fitted and secure, ready to roll.
Look at the trace here, that's where we lost the front end.
Yeah, I had too much understeer coming into the apex. We have to stiffen the rear.
Okay, 1 millimeter up on the front left.
Confirmed. Making the adjustment now.
Check the camber angle after that change.
The gap to car 3 is stable.
Yeah, but look at the degradation on this stint. We need to box him this lap to cover the undercut.
Hold the tension, maintain alignment. Good. Now slowly resist to the left. Keep breathing.
The precision of these robotic arms allows us to complete a chassis in record time.
Truly impressive engineering.
If we look at the development data here, the airflow separation is significantly reduced. There.
That gives us the stability we need for turn 3.
The macro view highlights the progressive crush fracture pattern, demonstrating how the carbon fiber layers absorb the kinetic energy of the impact.
The thermal degradation on the front right is stabilizing now.
Good. We can push harder for the next 3 laps.
The density looks good around the shoulders.
Agreed. Minimal voids on the lateral supports.
The airflow conformity looks good on this section.
Agreed. Let's check the tolerance at the diffuser exit.
If we look at the Q3 performance versus our top competitor, we see a clear 20% gap in efficiency.
Under the new regulations, we focused heavily on the aerodynamics.
Exactly. The Challenger's narrower side pods give us a significant advantage here.
Ensure the tolerance here matches the schematic exactly before applying the next layer.
Understood. I'll double check the alignment.
He takes the checkered flag. Victory secured. An absolutely dominant performance. What a moment for the team back at the factory.
The tactile feedback on the main rotor feels good.
Confirmed. Run the diagnostic on the OVR system.
Clearance is checked. Dropping now.
Steady, steady.
Locked in. Start the clock.
We need high-res shots of this section for the technical archive.
And confirm the torque settings on the suspension mounts.
Walk around complete. Everything looks good for sign-off.
All data points green, confirming quality approval.
This championship belongs to every single one of you. Your dedication, your hard work built this victory. We did it!
The correlation on the 300-lap analysis looks promising.
Yes, but Sector 3 is still showing too much degradation. We need to adjust the setup.